taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning from We Love Food World, Ricardo Nunes, Antonia Septimo. Hi everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to our kitchen, Bobo.
Aqui fala vovó Ricardo. Hoje estou na cozinha com Antonia Septimo e a Antonia vai cozinhar delícias again, hein? Delícias outra vez aqui. E hoje o vovó vai estar aqui na cozinha com a Antonia, hein? O vovó, hein? Convidem todas as famílias para verem o vovó aqui de Londres. Vovó Ricardo.
Antonia!
E vamos comer, pá! Vamos comer estas delícias todas, hein? Ok, Antonia, what are you cooking today?
Okay guys, my recipe today is Portuguese oven pork ribs. So this is yummy and delicious.
Eu vou comer! Eu vou comer! Vai ser bom, pá!
Hey guys, this is my recipe today. We have a pork ribs. Meron tayong honey, pepper, paprika, garlic, lime, orange. Meron tayong water, bay leaves, of course, white wine, and chili powder. So guys, let's begin. Lagyan mo natin yung paprika. Mix lang natin siya. Mix all together. Okay guys. Lalagay ako ng paprika already inside. So this is the Portuguese barbecue style bake in the oven. Okay guys. Lagay natin yung pepper. Garlic. Amazing, isn't it? Lagay natin yung honey. Okay. Just make all the ingredients. Delicious. Love honey. Okay. Meron din tayong orange. Need to be squeezed this, okay? Orange. Wow. It's quite healthy, okay? With fruits. Squeeze lang natin siya. Another one. One big orange juice. Nice flavor. I never tried this before. Portuguese barbecue style. Lagyan natin siya, may lime siya guys. Lime. Wow. Squeeze lang natin siya guys. Squeeze. Okay. Another one. At meron tayong bay leaves. Lagyan natin yung bay leaves. Okay. Mix muna natin siya. Okay guys. Mix natin. Meron tayong white wine. Lagyan natin siya ng white wine. Okay. Amazing. At meron din tayong powder chili. Okay guys. Lagyan natin siya ng a bit water. Set. People. Yeah, mix lang natin. Just mix it. Okay. Lagyan natin siya sa baking tray. Okay, people. Okay. Ayan. And the sauce, I need to put this. People, look at that. It's amazing. And all done. Okay guys, I'm sprinkling with a little bit salt on top to be nice and tasty. Okay, for tasty. That's it. Guys, I'm just covering this. It's nice and tender. And then another one, this one, cover as well. Okay, and 1 hour and a half. Okay guys, thumbs up. Mwah. Hi guys, I'm gonna open now, cook in half an hour, and then I'm gonna put it again to be nice and color. Okay, put again, very nice and color. Okay. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing, yeah? Wow. Delicious. Ating broccoli, okay? It's amazing broccoli. Don't worry. Ayan, people. Look amazing. Okay, guys. Wow, it's yummy, huh? Hola, amigo. Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli. Venha comer. Mwah. Hola, amigo. Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Nikki, Paola Vera, Marco Cesar, Sheila Santini, Didi Santana, Chago Salva, Benya Kume, Mwah! Hola, amigo. Alias Wagner, Marcos Cesar, Benya Kume, Mwah! Hi guys! Hopefully you like my recipe, Portuguese barbecue style. It's look amazing with the broccoli. And sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. And have a nice weekend. Salamat! God bless. Bye. Love you. Mwah. See you our next video.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love